Hello people, and I'm gonna be reviewing this annoying orange talking toy. These toys are pretty cool. Here's all of the toys right here. Hold on, I'll just, here they are. That's there's a bunch of them. I think the next one I plan on getting is Marshmallow. This is Pear's box, by the way. I might just review all of them, so this one I'm not sure yet. Okay, now fire up your, now just do what you want. Here's the scanner. Pretty self-explanatory. You can just go on the Annoying Orange Wicca, and then you can just type in Liam's top 10 most annoying orange and annoying moments if you want to see this video. Well, anyway, here's orange. Orange. Now this orange is special because it's the annoying orange is what it is. As I said, as I showed you before. I'm gonna unzoom now. See, he's not that heavy. But yeah, they're playing Modern Warfare 3 back there. I'm not gonna review that game because the footage would be pretty bad. Well, here's Orange. He's got a bunch of things.
Wow,
I'm gonna play them all.
If you're a brute, you'd be in a real jam.
Oh, I might.
Hey, what am I gonna say now?
Yeah, it gets stuck a lot. So.
Banana, 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 I really hate bananas.
I found that one pretty funny.
Sushi, that sounds kind of fishy.
Yeah, the button on this on mine gets
What's
really
up,
stuck. I gotta like clearly put it out.
Hey, you know what they call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese.
We've all heard that one. Yeah. Yeah, see, it gets stuck back there.
You're an apple. Uh-oh. Death trap.
Sorry.
I'm bored.
No. I'm showing my face. There's that orange right there. Yeah, this is 3 minutes so far. He's got fresh squeeze comedy. You can't really see it, but take my word for it. You can tell that this is fresh squeeze comedy right there. Anyway, by looking at it. Now time to. Okay. Now let's do a little.
Hey, you. Hey, over here. Hey.
This is what I like to. Let's say. This is how I like to do them. Ooh. I really like this toy. It's really good. It cost $10 where I got it. So there's a pear and midget apple. I find it pretty funny that midget apple is taller than orange. I thought you were playing Modern Warfare 3. I'm reviewing right now. Now here's one midget apple saying. I think that's his catchphrase.
Why is everyone exploding?
Then that's his catchphrase.
Yay, that was fun. Let's do
Okay,
it
that's not
again.
his catchphrase. As I said before, just scan this. It's easy. It's pretty easy to scan. Then you'll get a video. Then yeah. So basically, do whatever you want with this. I got all of the orange thing. I've got most of the orange. Oh, I did not show you all of the. There's 4 orange faces. There's midget apple. Marshmallow is the one that I plan to get next. Then I'll probably get passion fruit last. And then I'll get all the orange faces. Right. So I have laughing orange. I thought that one looks the best. Well, here's a word from Cody. Yeah, anything to say about these toys?
They're kind of cool.
Yeah. Okay. Definitely worth the money.
I kind of like Annoying Orange. I've seen all the videos.
Yeah. Yeah. You should go to his channel right now to watch it. To watch an Annoying Orange video. If you want to watch the first one, go on Danville's channel, and then go. But if you want, you can you can go on Annoying Orange's channel. It's Real Annoying Orange. Subscribe to him. That's the first thing you should do. He's really good. If you're a hater of Annoying Orange, yeah, just go ahead and hate and hate and hate. It won't affect us, right?
Yeah. And also,
yeah.
by the way, it's kind of cool when you put when you move the stem.
Yeah, the stems.
You can move it.
Yeah. So this is what you get. This is midget. Crap! It's glitching. The video just got stuck. Sorry.